In this video, I will show you how to split text into two columns in a Word document, or how to split a page in half and create a divider line in Microsoft Word. There are two quick methods. One is without a divider line, and the other is with a divider line. Let's get started. For the first method, select all your text. Go to the Layout tab and click the Columns drop-down arrow, and select the More Columns option. Choose from the options shown, such as 2 or 3. I'll select 2. You can set a line between. You can apply this format to the selected text or the whole document as well. Next, click OK, and Word will automatically split the text into two columns. To add a line between the columns, go back to Layout, then Columns, choose More Columns, select the number of columns you want, and check the Line Between option. Click OK, and Word will display a dividing line between the columns. For the second method, click on the Insert tab and select a 2x1 table. This creates two columns. Click the Table Selector box, go to Table Design, open the Borders drop-down, choose No Borders, and click OK to make the borders invisible. Copy your text, paste it into the first invisible column, and justify it. Then paste the remaining text into the second column. Now, if you press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, you will see the print preview of your document. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.